The FEELWORLD Screen F5 PROX 55-inch is my recent purchase for this YouTube channel. And 2 features make me say, take my money! And I found 3 more after I buy and use it. Now, it feels cheap, but for the price is not that bad. It comes with a bunch of accessories like sun hood and a USB-A to USB-C adapter, and all of this I probably will never use. A really well-designed L mount for the screen with a cold shoe, and it comes with a micro HDMI to a big HDMI cable that unfortunately you're gonna have to use it, because most budget cameras use that shitty connection. It works with NPF batteries, or you can plug it with an USB charger or a 12-volt DC in. The screen is 80p and touchscreen. It has 3 1/4 universal tripod screws in, and the software has all the bells and whistles we all expect. This goes to the first feature that I found after buying it, and it's awesome. 3 programmable function buttons on the top of the screen. The first, I didn't change it. It displays the vector scope and waveforms. The F2, I changed it to flip the image for vertical work. This is a lifesaver. The F3 is to freeze the image. Very handy if the camera person wants to show me the frame before recording. That is awesome. The second, a headphone jack. Old budget cameras like my R50 that I am using now has no audio output. This fixes it. The third, adjust the brightness by touching the screen on the left and the volume on the right. Really simple, really great. Finally, the last 2 features, 1600 nits of brightness. No need to remove the sunglasses to work with this screen outside. That is huge. And the last feature, a power dummy NPF battery connector on the screen itself. That is awesome. Now, if I want to use with a receiver and a transmitter, I'm gonna need at least 3 batteries. With this screen, the receiver connects directly on the screen. How awesome is that? No magic arm, no nothing, just connect here and it holds it in place. What the hell just happened? I just removed the reflection on the screen using the CPL filter combined with ND filter, so that's why I have a shallow depth of field as well. That video is over there. And this cool looking HDMI wireless video system is the perfect accessory for this screen. Check that video over there.